Welcome to our luxury leather factory. Today, I'll show you how premium crocodile leather is carefully processed into the world's most
Controlled tanning preserves the distinctive scale pattern while producing leather that is durable, flexible, and suitable for luxury craftsmanship. Every hide is carefully finished and inspected to meet the highest luxury quality standards.
Ensure lot number 42B is scanned before it moves to the tanning vats.
Understood, Supervisor.
Every luxury product is thoroughly inspected before being shipped to premium brands and boutiques around the world.